can't get an invite to the Hangouts. We'll just have you talking, so at least she can hear you. Okay.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Go ahead and start the quiz. I'm going to go get my little one.
I need to get in and open my quiz. It was all opened up before, but now I got to get in and find it again. So.
Okay.
Jolene, did you cut your hair?
Yeah, I just got it cut, but the lady like totally whacked off my bangs.
Oh, I think it looks really cute.
Aside from the bang part, I'm happy.
Good thing those will grow, right?
Yeah.
How much did you cut off?
It's always more. This is actually the length that I like it, and my hair just grows super quick, and I never go back.
Oh wow! Well, I like it a lot. It's really fun.
Oh, thanks.
Okay. Say hello.
Oh, I gotta see. Super cute. What's his name?
Steiger.
Steiger?
Mm-hmm.
With a K or a G?
It's with a G.
Super cute.
Yep. Okay, can you go play for a
I
minute?
can't see him, but I'm sure he's cute.
Okay. Can you go play for a minute, sweetheart? Mama's got to do something on the computer.
Oh, I'm sorry, ladies. This is taking forever. I apologize.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and start the quiz. Are you guys already on it?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just about there.
Cook.
But you can get started.
Yeah.
And I will catch up.
Cook.
Okay, the total area under the density curve must equal 1. Right? Sweetheart.
Up.
Look at Mom.
Up.
Where is your dump truck?
Cook.
Dump truck. Why don't you go get all your blocks in your dump truck and then you can show me, okay? Thanks, bud. Okay.
Hello?
Hi, are you there?
Yeah, I am. Jolene, are you still there?
No?
Cook.
I don't know if it's your son out to get you today. I think it just might be.
I think it's just technology.
Oh, man.
Go get all your blocks. I need that. Can you hand that to me? Oh, goodness. Okay, are you on the quiz, Brianne?
I wish I could see him. He sounds really cute.
Here. Can you say hello?
Oh, there he is. Hi.
Can you say hi?
Yeah,
Mm.
that's so frustrating. Where did she go? Can we invite her back? Or wait, it's not working at all, huh?
There you are. I can't hear you.
Papa.
I can't hear you.
Papa. Hi.
Hi.
Papa.
No, we're not talking to Grandpa today. Hold on, I can see her.
Papa.
Okay, she's here. I just can't hear her, so we're just going to go through the quiz. Okay, number 3, the total area under the density curve must equal 1.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Number 4, under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis. False, right?
False. Yes, false.
Okay, a normal density curve is symmetric.
True.
True. Yeah?
I
Was,
believe so.
yes, Jolene says yes. Okay. Use the following image to answer. Okay. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score? So it'd be C.
It's C.
No, C.
C. Okay, that's what I was like. Wait, I thought it was C.
Papa.
Okay, sounds cutting in and out, so it's hard to. Okay. go
Okay.
ahead.
C like cat. Okay. Number 7. I know, sweetheart.
Papa.
What happened to all your blocks? Where'd all your blocks go? Can you go put all of your blocks in your dump truck?
This will be greater than 1.
No.
No. Can you
But-
please go do that for mama?
No.
No. Okay. Well, don't touch the screen, okay? Okay, which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the score is greater than 1? So that is B, as in boy. Yep.
As a boy. Okay, perfect.
According to the rule, what proportion of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation? So 68%, right?
Yes.
Do we put the 68, the percent sign in there, or just 68?
No, because I think it's on the bottom, so I just put it in just the 68.
Okay, yeah, I see. Okay, suppose the z-score is from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal, okay. What proportion of values from this random variable will be, okay, sweetheart, you can't do that. Please don't do that. Okay, Mama said no.
No.
I need you to go do something else.
Is Jolene keeping up? Is she doing good?
Yeah. You were just testing me today. Okay. Okay.
So we need to get the little.
Okay, so this thing, we put -1 and 1 in there. And then what proportion of the values will be between? So we highlight the middle part, right, Jolene? Yep. Okay, and we get 0.6827.
Yeah, 683.
I can hear you now. What happened?
Hey, I'll talk.
Okay.
I'm signing to you.
Hey, 683, right?
Yeah.
0.683.
Oh wait, what was it? I'm sorry, I can't hear you guys.
Okay, 0.683.
683.
Yep.
Okay.
Like cartoon? Well, you think you're silly. Okay, what proportion is between -2 and 2? So we'll put that in. And 0.95, don't. 9545. Yes?
Yeah.
So, okay.
5.
0.955. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, now -3 and
Really,
3.
they're going to ask this? This is silly. I hope we're not getting this wrong because it seems a little bit too easy, right?
Yeah, it does kind of. Okay.
Well, when it gives it to us, that is the helpful part. So hopefully we'll just keep going with that. It's the right thing.
Yeah.
997.
Okay. Okay, so 0.683, 0.955, and 0.997. Yep.
So, and the values match the 68, 95, 99. Deviation out, right? A standard deviation out.
Hello?
Yep, are you there?
Oh yeah, I'm here. Okay, I just thought I lost you.
So it should be the values match the 68, 95, 99.7 rule because we went out each deviation.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Whew, okay. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.6?
Amount of protein then in.
Did you guys already do 12? I missed that one.
12 is the values match the 68, 95, 99 rule.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, the amount of protein that an individual must consume. Okay, so we have to find the z-score, right?
Yeah.
Which would be 0.6 minus 0.66 divided by 0.07. So 0.8571.
Yeah.
Okay, that would be the z-score. So we put that into the thing, right?
What proportion? Yeah.
0.8571. And then what is less than, right?
Yeah. So
0.1957.
well,
Number 13.
but is it double that? Because what's less than 0.857? Because you have two areas to, or do you just do one area? Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, but I got a negative number for the z-score.
Okay.
Did you get negative 0.00857?
I got negative 0.857. Yeah, so I put that, okay, so it's 0.196, right?
Right.
Are you getting that, Brienne?
So you do 0.60 minus 0.66 divided by 0.07, is that right?
Yes.
And then,
You put it in.
Then you put it into
and then
the app.
into that other thing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the step I was missing right there. I was like, wait, what's the other part? Okay.
Okay, so
Gotcha.
that would be your z-score. You put that in. And then you highlight the bottom portion.
Mm-hmm.
And then, okay, so 0.196. Okay.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what is
So it's the
more
same
than?
score, you just do more than on that one. So you highlight both of them and it should be 0.804.
Yes.
Say that one more time.
So we highlighted the middle and the top section, and it's point,
Then.
yeah, 0.804 is what we got there. Is less than 0.7, so we have to do a different one.
Okay.
So 0.5714 or 571. Okay.
Yeah. 0.571.
Yep, and then we do less than that. So we highlight the bottom portion, and I got 0.284. Does that sound right?
You got a negative on that? I think it's 0.716 because it wasn't a negative right?
You're
It wasn't a negative z-score. It was a positive.
Right.
So it should be the two areas.
Okay. Yes.
So 0.716.
Yep.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you following?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep, I am.
Okay. Like, are you guys having a hard time with any of this? Because, like, this is, like, we can discuss so that you understand it for homework and stuff.
I think I just had to watch the videos a lot, and so I still don't understand it perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
But that's something I just feel like I need to go and look at it more. I feel like with the formulas they give me, I can sit down, and if I'm slowly going through it, I understand it.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like knowing when to plug in and highlight which thing, I think that's where I struggle right now.
Right.
So as you guys are talking it through, it's helping me a lot more to understand, oh, okay, that's the section that I'm more focusing on. So,
Okay.
I mean, that's been my main thing. Did you guys struggle with it at all?
Yeah, I've been struggling with like with the questions. What formula do I use? Am I trying to find X? Am I looking for the Z-score? What do I plug into the
Right.
applet? And so, anyways, this is helping a little bit to talk about it
Right.
as well.
Brianna, like
I agree.
we'll see down here where it's the percentile and stuff. That's where I was having the problems with, is when they give you the percentile or where you're looking for a percent. Kaylee and I went over that just a little bit.
Yeah.
Wait for you to get on, so we can talk.
So
about it.
actually, we're probably gonna have to go over it again because I have a hard time with that still.
And I'm lost, so that would be great.
Okay, let's go to 16. Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.6 and 0.7.
Okay.
Okay, there's a problem in here.
Find the probability. Oh, Steiger, hey, can you hand me that piece of paper right there?
That is just like that one we just did, where you helped walk me through.
Okay, pick that one up. Yeah, I think so. It's
the
barely
same
out of
value
reach.
because it was between 60 and 70 again. So we should be able to do. How did we do that?
Okay, hold on.
Let me look through. I remember watching a video about it too.
Okay.
So this is still talking about using the normal probability applet thing, right?
So because we already have the 60 and the 70, we have both of the Z-scores. We subtract 0.8571 from 0.571 because we had the 0.6 valuation and the 0.7, right?
Yeah, like we already have that. Is that what you're saying?
Right. So we're subtracting 0.8571 minus 0.571.
Where are you getting that?
Those are our Z-scores.
Burger.
I thought,
So in the example, it's number, which one is it? Why did I lose that? Sorry, just a second. I'm old school and have to do everything on paper.
I need to be knowing better.
So on the paper where we're doing the prepare part 2 and they have the videos, it's number 7, part A through E. And so E says, what is the probability that a randomly selected particle has a speed that is between 1500 and 2500? So in C, we already did the Z-score for 2500. And in D, we did the particle for 1500. So what you do then is you subtract the Z-scores from each other. And then you get a new Z-score. And then you put it in, and then you only take in the middle area of that. Does that make sense? Did I lose you guys?
Okay, are you there?
Explaining this? I'm sorry.
Ah.
How far did you hear me?
Okay, so you said problem number whatever.
Number 7 on that part 2 where there's the videos.
Okay.
It explains it, but you take each Z-score. We've already worked those out. We've already worked the 0.6 from 0.7.
Yeah, but my Z-score isn't the same as yours then.
Mine isn't either.
What is your Z-score for 0.6?
0.8571. Negative.
Where are you getting that?
Because you take the 0.6 minus the 0.66 and you divide it by 0.07.
Oh my gosh, I'm looking at a different number. Okay.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, hold on.
Okay, so the 0.60 minus 0.66, and then you divide that by 0.07.
Right.
And that's how we got our first z-score.
Negative
And we did that for 0.7 as well.
1, is that correct?
Yes. Okay. And then the z-score for the 0.7, what was that again?
0.571.
571. Okay. Okay. So moving on.
Wait, so which one was the... So what's number 13 then? Just to make sure I'm on the right, that we're all...
So it's 0.196 because we put the z-score into the applet and got that. So I was looking at that number thinking it was the z-score.
Right, right. And
And it's not.
Okay, and so number 14 is...
0.804
Okay,
and 15 is 0.716.
okay, perfect.
Okay, so moving on to this next one. Now that we have the z-scores for the two,
then we're going to subtract the negative 0.8571 from 0.571.
Tiger,
Huh?
come here.
Hey, can you hear me? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. It's so frustrating. I can hear
Can you
you
hear
now.
me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Good job, team.
Okay.
Good job.
Let's go to 16. Now tell me, Steiger. Okay. We've got the z-score for 0.6 and 0.7. Now what do we do with it?
Subtract them.
Okay. And we get
I got negative 1.42.
negative 1.42. Okay.
That's
Then
your
what?
z-score. You put it in to the applet.
Put them into the applet, right?
Just the negative 1.42.
Okay.
Put it in as what? As the area or as the z-score?
As the z-score.
On which side?
It doesn't matter. Just type it in one and it'll figure it out for you.
Yeah, just make sure you have the negative. So it was negative 1.42, and then you highlight the area in the middle, and that'll give you a new area up at the top. So just the middle, because we're looking for in between.
0.8444.
Yes.
Does that make
Okay.
That's what the answer is for that.
And that's it?
I think so.
Okay.
If not, I'm so sorry. And look it up on, on the
But
video.
Fine.
this is a lot farther than I would be by myself, so I'm grateful for your help.
Okay. So then I think for number 17 and number 18, you just go in and you put in top 0.35, and you take that area, the middle area, and it comes out to be 0.454. But I could be wrong on that. For some reason, you guys remember watching that where they were just asking for a percentage?
Yeah.
And he just put it up at the very top of that applet, the area. He just converted it in.
Right.
And we highlighted something, and I think it was just the middle, but I can't be 100% sure.
Just put like on 75%, didn't we just put 7500 in the area, and that's what it was?
I'm sorry?
Say that
I'm
again.
pretty sure, like, when it asked, because it was like for 75% of something, and when I was looking at he up in the area, all he put was 7, it said 0.7500. So
Right.
like added zeros onto the end. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And so I just don't remember what area to click though, like what area.
Right. I can't remember if it was just the middle. Well, what is the answer? Or they're asking.
It says find the
35%.
35th percentile.
So then it would be 3500. Would it be 0.3500 or just?
Right. You do 0.3500, but up at the top in the area.
Right, exactly. So and that gives us.
It depends on what we highlight. Or actually, no, that gives us 0.45 as the z-score, and I think that's all that matters. It's the z-score, so it should be 0.454. Does that make sense? Because when you put in the area as 0.35, the z-score pops up as 0.454.
Right.
Mine pops up as 0.385, and so I don't know why that's weird.
I don't know why either.
This like isn't sounding right to me.
Yeah. I agree. But that's my best guess.
Okay, hold on. I said no.
You know what? I think that's right, though, because every time you do that and you put in this and we get that probability and it's 0.308 or whatever, it turns out to be a percentage.
What was the number she got?
I got 0.4.
I'm sorry. Okay, look at my hands. Okay. I know that I saw a question like this, and I'm trying to find it.
I think I'm gonna go back to the video and see what they say about it.
Okay. Randomly select part. Okay.
Are you guys still there?
Yep.
Yeah. Can you hear
Okay,
me?
good. Yeah, I just
Do you want some
clicked on the
bread?
video and it started
Can you say
talking to me, and I was like,
please?
oh, whoops. I just couldn't hear. Just make sure I didn't lose you. Okie dokie.
Thank you for asking. That was very good.
Maybe we take that new z-score and put it into the equation to find a new x.
Be careful.
Does that make sense? So we take that 4.454 equals x minus 66 divided by 0.07, and then that would give us the x for the 35th percentile.
That does sound correct. I mean, I remember watching
That
that.
makes more sense than doing just taking the area or putting in the z-score.
Okay. Okay. Why don't you
So
take
let's
this
see.
and sit on the couch? Can you go sit on the couch, please? Mommy really needs to be by herself right now so that I can finish this. You're being quite the distraction. Go ahead. Okay.
Dad.
That's what I don't get.
Hi, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So Brianne has just been explaining to me. So for I guess I don't understand what we're trying. I don't know what 35% represents. Is that X?
No.
I mean, in the long run, but you put 35 into the applet at the top.
Right.
You get that new z-score of 0.454. When you put
Okay.
in 0.35 in the applet up the top of the area, it'll give you a new z-score of 0.454.
Right.
So that
It's not
equals
that, so that's why I don't
5%.
get why it's just.
Then you do 0.454 as your z-score equals x minus 0.66 divided by 0.07. Then you're just flipping
I don't-
the equation around.
Brianne is not getting that number when she puts 0.35 in. So that's what she's
It
confused
should be
on.
0.35 or 0.3500.
It doesn't matter. They're both the same.
Okay. Is she highlighting a certain section when she puts it in?
No.
It stays the same no matter what.
So at the bottom, it'll say z-score equals, and what does it have for you?
0.454.
Yeah, what does it have for Brianne?
I get 0.385. I would not trust mine. I would trust hers over mine because I don't know.
Well, when you highlight just the middle, what do you get? When it says at the top 0.350 and you highlight.
It doesn't matter
Are
what you
putting
highlight.
the z-score in when she does that, or is it just putting in the area?
I'm sorry?
Do you put anything as the z-score, or do you just simply put the area in on the top?
I just simply put the area in at the top.
And you didn't highlight any areas to start off with?
No, I'll put my z-score as 0. How about that? And put in.
Put your z-score as 0 and then put the area in.
At
And
35 and it still comes out as 0.454.
Right?
I'm sorry?
And then, so put this area 0.35.
Yeah.
If I put z-score as 0, it won't change anything when I put the new area in. So maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Because mine, I zeroed it all out and then put in 0.35.
Let's go with yours, Jolene.
All right.
I'm confident in that.
So then I got 0.454.
But wouldn't it be negative?
It can be, I guess.
Well, because the positive one would be 65%.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Good call. So then that's going to be like that.
Negative 0.454.
Yeah. Okay, so now you're going to put 0.8 in for the area.
Yeah, for that next problem.
Yeah, and you're going to get
1.282.
Yes, 1.282.
Right.
Okay,
Say that one more time. I'm sorry.
1.282.
282. Okay, thank you.
Okay, is that it?
Yeah,
I'm not feeling so good about this one.
I know. Me either.
Well, so I don't know if you do that where you have those answers, right? You take those, just use the z-score as the answer, or if you then go through and plug it in for X, find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement. So then do you go in and do negative 0.454 equals X minus 0.66 divided by 0.07. And you work that out then, where you just do the algebra. So it turns out to be negative 0.454 times 0.07 plus 0.66. That 0.66 was our mean.
Mm-hmm.
And that equals, what was it? Negative 6.2 or 6.
I think that is what it is because that's what he did in the video.
Right, that's what where it was asking for the third quartile, and we had to put in the 75th. So I think it's negative. Negative. I don't know though, because it's a negative answer.
Which isn't that what we wanted though, because it was in the 35th percentile, so it would have been more negative.
Yeah.
Yeah. Negative 6 point. Negative 0.628 would be number 17. Then. And number 18 would be 0.749 if we're doing that correctly.
And number 18 would be what?
0.749.
Sweetheart, I love you. Okay, can you say please?
0.749.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. You've got to say 17 for me again.
Negative 0.628.
And 18 is point.
0.749.
And how did you get that? You took the numbers that we got.
So we took the one for number 18. We took the z-score that we got, which was 1.28,
Right.
and plugged it in to find x. So we did 1.28 times 0.07 plus 0.66.
0.66. And that's how you got that. Okay.
I don't, like I said,
0.7496 then, or just
0.749. No, wouldn't it be 0.75?
yeah, I mean, we could. 0.750.
I think some of them, like when we did the prep work and it would say round, but then at the same time when I went to look and the answers that we put on the answer sheet, it was never rounded. It was just that. And so that's why I was like confused on whether I really do that or I don't.
Well, and this one doesn't say round. It says give the answer as a decimal, accurate to 3 decimal places. So I don't think it's round on that one.
Okay, so 0.749.
Yeah.
Okay, do we try it?
Yeah, sorry if it's not right, but we'll know which ones we need to work on.
I'm going to submit it.
Okay, sounds good.
Got an 85.
Last one's wrong. Yep, all 3 of those.
The last 3.
Oh, it just last 3. Oh man.
Okay, it tells you how to do it though.
How? Where?
Under 16.
Oh.
Under 16 it
See,
says.
that's that formula that I was just so confused on. Like I don't.
Please. It's not yours.
It's so cute.
Oh my gosh, he has got.
Choo-choo train earlier because that's what it sounded like.
Yeah, he's got his train here. Choo choo.
Choo-choo.
Yeah.
All right, so maybe I need to get on and ask the TA because these ones.
I was thinking the same thing because I really don't feel confident in this. The other ones I've been able to get on and feel confident in. This one I just don't.
Yeah.
All right, well,
Okay.
hey, we got through it together.
I wish they would give you the answers though, just to see if maybe we overthought that and it should just be the area that we were looking at, you know.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, cool.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Oh, thank you. You're the best. Have a good day.
You too. See ya.
Bye.
Oy vey, Steiger. No, not right now.
Babies.